Happy Saturday, my peoples. Saturday, my peoples. Yeah, so peoples, listen up, man. You know what I'm saying? Infinite banking package has landed. Stay to the end of the video. Stay to the end of this live, right? I'm gonna show you what the infinite banking video package came. I mean, it came in the mail. It's right here. Just a little sneak peek of what's about to happen. So if you know me, I'm usually in the background, you know, doing learning certain skill sets that's gonna actually set our generations free, right? So here's how we're gonna do this. I'm actually, getting certifications and different licenses in different, topics that we can actually come together and actually put this whole system together and build your own system pretty much, right? And I was talking to a friend and he was like, you're always ahead of what everybody else is talking about. It's like you're like 6 years ahead. I tell him I'm usually like 6 years ahead about what's really going on. And this guy I never really physically met. You know what I'm saying? I actually met him online, and I haven't even met him yet. He's out there stationed out there. He's out there in California. So with that being said, you know what I'm saying. So he knew that that every time I come to him with something, he know I already told him about it, or when somebody hits him up about it, I have already, brought that to his attention, or have already exercised it, or the next idea that I'm actually doing is already 6 years ahead. Because I brought on my other idea that I was doing, the other, specialized knowledge, our peoples need to get educated in specialized knowledge. That is it. If you don't take any notes from this video, make sure you take away that, you want to specialize in specialized knowledge. The specialized knowledge will eventually, if you come up with the ideas, because all a millionaire and you're an idea away from being a billionaire, right? So those ideas that come to your head, you're gonna have to exercise those ideas, because those ideas are actually what's gonna help the next generation, be bold enough to do those ideas, and not hide behind other people's ideas, right? So what we got to do is we got to build um, your financial literacy skills, or money management skills, I should say. I would say that would be the core thing, because I'm hearing stories, right, that there are millionaires out there, right, quote unquote billionaires out there making all this money, right? They could be making $1 million a month, right? But they don't have the proper risk management, like we like to say in the trade world. If y'all want to get in my membership, man, go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org. Go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org if you want to get into our mentorship, our membership. But so we would call that risk management in the trade world. But in the real world, we call that, risk management, right? What expenses are coming out? It doesn't matter if you make $1 million a month. It doesn't matter if you make $1 billion a month. A company can make $1 billion a month and still end up on the bankruptcy list or whatever, But then you also got to look at the bankruptcy list as a way, because certain bankruptcies, quick nugget, certain bankruptcies that file, you're actually able to open up another entity, and still continue service, right? You just have to know the language, the legal language, in order to do that, right? So, I'm in the background getting certifications and licenses, just to, secure what's really about to go down when it comes to the financial realm, when it comes to this AI, right? AI is coming out, and it's gonna take over people's jobs, right? So you're really gonna have to find a skill set that's gonna actually be able to pay you from wherever you're sitting, right? So if you're going to the Bahamas, you can make money in the Bahamas, right? And everybody's talking about And this has nothing to do with this live has nothing to do with no MLMs or nothing like that. No multi-level marketing. I don't not MLMs or multi-level marketing, but I'm just talking about self. I'm just talking about just understanding what you need to do, in situations like this, in order to, pass on the generations, right? It's all about passing on generational wealth, right? Like and share this and comment on below if you find this information valuable, right? Because I'm dropping value today, right? But yeah, so I got a package today. I really got off key. We gonna bring it back full circle, right? I got a package today, an infinite banking package, right? And the infinite banking package came in today, and it was the only thing in the mail, right? So focusing on that is an infinite banking package. Now, what happens with this infinite banking package is, we are actually able to circulate the money. We're going to change up the vocabulary right now. We're going to change up the vocabulary from spending money, right, to circulating the money. Because if you look at the end of the word spend, it ends. So you don't want any of your wealth to end, right? So we call it circulating the money. Once we change up the language a little bit, your mindset will then get there, right? Because you can't walk before you crawl. You feel me? But you're connected. If you're connected with me, you're going to be connected to what I'm connected with. The access that I have. You feel me? So, I just wanted to get on here and spread the love about the infinite banking. Infinite banking is pretty much creating your own bank, right? So, you're pretty much setting us up a system. So, we're gonna talk now. We're gonna get into how to use infinite banking with a forex, model. You can use infinite banking in different models, but this is going to be an example on how to use infinite banking on a forex model, right? So a couple weeks ago, if you looked at my post or if you signed up for the free forex, 10K, right? Unfortunately, the 10 it was too many people signing up for the 10K because here's what happens. The company was giving out a free 10K for followers that they already had, which was like me, which was other people. So what I did was, I wasn't going to be greedy. I was gonna make sure that the community ate, right? Stimulate the economy, right? So what I did is I gave out my free code and multiple people are actually getting the free account. So what the company had to do, right? Because I really didn't even see people promoting, the 10K until I started, promoting the free 10K. I saw my timeline going crazy and promoting the 10K all of a sudden. I was like, dang, okay. So we went bonkers on that, right? Congratulations to everybody that got on the 10K challenge and took opportunity, right? Because life is all about opportunities. And, you don't want to miss out on opportunities. So that's why you definitely should go to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org, right? And see what we have for you, to tap into, because all this is a new language. All this stuff is a new language. So here's how you do it with the forex. So what I was going to do with the 10K, I was going to teach people how to use that 10K to make money off that 10K, build that 10K, right? And it was a free $10,000, right, that the broker was giving you. So just shout out to everybody that just took advantage of the opportunity because it was there. It was free. It was a free 10K. So shout out to everybody that took advantage of that. But just like I say, they put a freeze on everything because they said that it was an extra. Everybody got an email. They sent an email. It's not like it was anything fraudulent going on. They pretty much said that since there's so many free accounts, it was like they said they had like 50,000 free accounts, $10,000 free accounts. Now imagine this. You are a business owner, right? You know, you're a multi-millionaire, right? But you have this promotion that you just give to your customers, your clients, right? But somehow, some way, the other people get a free account. You know, they don't pay for an account. So which means if 50,000 users actually got funded to 50K, right? If 50,000 users actually got funded to 50K, they will be paying out, you know, on live accounts, a total of $500 million, right? Can you imagine how much $500 million paid out on free money would be? I mean, eventually the broker gave his money on the back end, but that was too much money to be getting paid, to be paying out on a free account, right? So that is the reason why that free 10K that I had out there. You know, the people hit me up like it was my company and all that. Nah, man, I was just sharing that as a beta test to make sure that it worked, to see that if it did work, right? Because normally what I do, it says I'm watching myself. That's awesome. That's weird. It says Jerry Glover is watching me. But yeah, thank you for watching me. Because if ain't nobody gonna watch me, I'm gonna watch me, and I'm gonna spit the, you know, what I know back to me. You feel me? Because it's a mirror image of me anyway right now. You feel me? but yeah. So we doing the. Right now I'm explaining how to do infinite banking with Forex, right? If you stay to the end of this video, right? So we're just gonna take the 10K, right? Because that was gonna be free money, that was gonna be free revenue, right? And we were not gonna, and I was gonna teach them how to money manage it, right? Because it all goes by money management. You take that 10K, you take your bills, right? Let me get a list of your bills. Let me get free comprehensive planning, right? What it came with that, you know, and that's the other side of the firm, you know, where we do the wealth management full comprehensive planning. You know, if you need any information on that, inbox me today. You know, we can get it cracking on that. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that free 10K, you know, whatever you withdraw out that 10K, we were gonna, you know, allocate those funds to put in another account, right? That's gonna actually be doing something with it and circulating, not just sitting, right? You don't want this money just to be sitting in your savings account, because the bank is already capitalizing on it while it's sitting in your savings account. This is why you have to learn how to circulate the money, right? So, you know, I just wanted to tap in with y'all really quick, you know, show y'all how to, you know, use infinite banking strategies. So what you do is you after you put it inside that account, you find an account where you can actually borrow against that account, right? This is where the infinite banking package comes into play, right? You put it inside of an account that you can actually, you know, borrow off of, and then there you go. You have your own banking system, because you just created a loan on something that you did, right? So you're borrowing against yourself. So that's why it's called infinite banking, right? Because the money still circulates. So once you borrow against that, you're gonna take that. You're gonna go buy some land, right? Throw it into trust. If you need help, you know, building that and starting your trust, inbox us today, right? I'm trying to tell you, we got the whole lineup under the firm. We got the whole lineup under the financial planning. So y'all just need to just inbox us today. We don't mind helping. So those are strategies right there. So if you stay to the end of this video, man, you just got like a whole bunch of nuggets. All you gotta do is put the pieces together, put the ideas together. I mean, just like I said, inbox me if you know, need any assistance. You know, you can go to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org, right? You can go to, you know, resilientbanker.com. You can go to theresilientbanker.com, right? These are all websites that you can go to and you can get in contact with me, right? So, Jerry Glover, the Resilient Banker, your favorite financial advisor, right? Your fiduciary, right? Your infinite banking coach, right? Your trustee, right? Let's go. Peace. Nice talking to you. Like, share, and comment on this post.